Hi, so today we're going to be making these houses that also act as a brush holder. So first you'll need some clay. You can roll them up into balls first, mold them into house-like shapes, smoosh them together. I decided to make two sets, one for my mom and sister. They go in the oven. I just put them on toast. And it does the trick. Now I'm going to start painting. I laid out my colors beforehand so I would know what I'm working with, and some fresh water. Now I'm letting them dry in front of my fan. Went ahead and did the second one. And now for the fun part, adding decorations. You can add windows and doors and shingles, or if you're really skilled, you can add a few flowers outside. I decided to ex-nay on the flowers and just make little cute townhouses. It doesn't have to be perfect. The imperfection is what makes it look nice. And here are the finished products. I hope you guys had so much fun, and I hope you make this with me. Ciao!